Welcome to InfoTube USA. What exactly is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency, at its simplest, is a type of digital or virtual money. It serves as ordinary money, like dollars, pounds, euros, yen, etc. But it has no physical counterparts, no banknotes or coins that can be touched. Cryptocurrency exists only in electronic form. It's based on a technology called blockchain, which is a decentralized technology spread across many computers that manages and records transactions. This technology is secure and anonymous, making it appealing to many users around the world. One of the key features of cryptocurrencies is that they are not controlled by any central authority, making them theoretically immune to government interference or manipulation. This decentralization is one of the key reasons why cryptocurrencies have gained popularity over the years. The first and most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, which was created in 2009. Since then, over 5,000 different cryptocurrencies, also known as altcoins, have been created, each with its unique features and uses. Cryptocurrencies can be bought through a variety of platforms known as cryptocurrency exchanges. These digital assets can be stored in digital wallets and used to buy goods and services from any entity that accepts them, or they can be held as an investment. Today, we're talking about the US versus Hong Kong, the battle for crypto dominance. As crypto regulations tighten in the United States, Hong Kong seems to be positioning itself as the next big crypto hub. First, let's get a handle on what's happening in the United States. The tightening of regulations has created a challenging environment for crypto businesses. The recent implosion of FTX, a prominent crypto exchange, has raised questions about the future of crypto in the country. On the other side of the world, however, Hong Kong is extending a warm welcome to crypto ventures. Earlier this year, Hong Kong proposed a set of rules to regulate crypto-related activities, which seemed more welcoming to crypto businesses than the current US regulations. So, what are the key differences between the US and Hong Kong in their approach to crypto? In the US, crypto regulation is tightening, while Hong Kong is opening up its doors to digital assets. This divergence is creating an interesting dynamic in the global crypto market. This battle for dominance between the US and Hong Kong has ripple effects throughout the global crypto market. Companies from both East and West are evaluating their strategies, and many are considering Hong Kong as a potential outpost for expansion. As we've seen, the US and Hong Kong are taking divergent paths in the world of crypto regulation. While the future is uncertain, one thing is clear: the battle for crypto dominance is far from over. So, where do you think the future of crypto lies? In the stringent regulation of the United States or the welcoming embrace of Hong Kong? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos. Thank you.